Most people think swimming is only good for cardio, or that you need heavy weights in a gym to build real muscle. If you have ever wondered whether swimming laps in the pool can actually change your body the same way gym workouts do, you're not alone. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what swimming really does for muscle, where it shines, and where it falls short. I am a certified fitness coach, and I work with people who love the gym, people who hate the gym, and people who just want results without wasting time. Today, we're breaking down swimming versus gym workouts in a simple, honest way. This is an educational video, not a follow-along workout, and it is perfect for beginners and intermediate fitness levels. You will learn how swimming affects muscle growth, strength, and body composition, and whether it can replace gym training or if it works best as a partner to it. There is no equipment needed for this discussion, just an open mind. Stick with me until the end, because the final takeaway will help you decide exactly how to train based on your goals, not fitness myths. Understanding how muscles grow. To understand swimming versus gym workouts, we need to talk about how muscles actually grow. Muscle growth happens when you challenge a muscle against resistance, allow it to recover, and repeat that process consistently. Resistance can come from weights, machines, bands, or even water. The gym makes this very clear. You lift a heavier weight, you slowly increase that load over time, and your muscles adapt by getting stronger and often bigger. The resistance is easy to measure and easy to progress. Swimming uses a different kind of resistance. Water is about 12 times denser than air, which means every movement you make has resistance built in. When you pull through the water, kick, or stabilize your body, your muscles are working non-stop. That sounds promising, but the key difference is how much resistance and how easy it is to increase it. What swimming does really well. Swimming is incredible for total body engagement. Your shoulders, back, chest, arms, core, glutes, and legs are all involved in almost every stroke. Few gym exercises recruit as many muscles at once as swimming does. Swimming is also very joint-friendly. There is no impact on your knees, hips, or spine, which makes it ideal if you deal with joint pain or are recovering from injury. You can train hard in the pool without the wear and tear that sometimes comes with lifting or running. Another major benefit is muscular endurance. If you swim regularly, your muscles learn to work for longer periods without fatigue. This is why swimmers often look lean, athletic, and well-conditioned. Swimming also burns a lot of calories, which helps with fat loss and overall body composition. For beginners especially, swimming can absolutely build some muscle. If your body is not used to resistance training at all, swimming will challenge your muscles enough to create strength and tone in the early stages. Where swimming has limits for muscle growth. This is where honesty matters. While swimming challenges your muscles, it does not provide progressive overload in the same way gym training does. Progressive overload means gradually increasing the demand on your muscles over time, such as lifting heavier weights or doing more difficult variations. In swimming, once your technique improves and your body adapts, the resistance stays mostly the same. You can swim faster or longer, but that mainly increases cardiovascular demand, not muscle-building stimulus. This is why swimmers train for hours, but do not necessarily build large, bulky muscles like bodybuilders. Swimming is excellent for strength endurance, but it's less effective for maximum strength or muscle size. You'll likely see muscle tone and definition, but significant muscle growth is harder to achieve with swimming alone. What gym workouts do best? Gym workouts shine when it comes to targeted muscle building. You can focus on specific muscle groups like glutes, chest, back, or arms and apply precise resistance. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, presses, and rows allow you to progressively increase load, which is the main driver of muscle growth. The gym also allows for variety and control.
You can adjust reps, sets, tempo, and rest periods to match your exact goal, whether it's strength, muscle size, or power. This makes gym training more efficient for body transformation, if building muscle is your top priority. However, gym workouts can be harder on the joints if form is poor or recovery is ignored. They also don't automatically train cardiovascular fitness unless you intentionally include it.
Can you build muscle just by swimming? Here is the honest answer. Yes, you can build some muscle by swimming, especially if you are new to training, returning after a long break, or currently untrained. You will get stronger, more toned, and leaner. But if your goal is noticeable muscle size and strength, swimming alone will eventually hit a plateau. Your body will adapt, and the stimulus will no longer be strong enough to keep building muscle. At that point, progress slows or stops. Swimming is not inferior, it just serves a different purpose. It builds a resilient, athletic body rather than a heavily muscled one. The best of both worlds. This is where things get exciting. Combining swimming with gym workouts is one of the most effective and sustainable training approaches. Strength training in the gym builds muscle and strength. Swimming improves conditioning, recovery, and full body coordination. For example, you might lift weights 3 days per week, focusing on major muscle groups. On 1 or 2 other days, you swim to improve endurance, burn calories, and give your joints a break. Swimming can even improve your gym performance by increasing work capacity and recovery. Many athletes train this way because it creates balance. You build muscle without sacrificing mobility, heart health, and longevity. The big truth about results. The biggest truth is this: your body changes based on the demands you place on it consistently. Swimming will shape your body into a lean, efficient, athletic version of yourself. Gym training will shape your body into a stronger, more muscular version. Neither is better in general. One is better for your specific goal. The mistake most people make is expecting one method to deliver results it was never designed to provide. If you want muscle size, you need progressive resistance. If you want endurance, joint health, and conditioning, swimming is incredible. If you want both, combine them and commit to consistency. Key takeaways. If you swim every week, you will get fitter, stronger, and leaner. Your shoulders, back, core, and legs will thank you. You will feel more capable in daily life and improve your overall health. If you lift weights consistently, you will build muscle and strength more efficiently. You will change the shape of your body in a more dramatic way. When you put these together, you create a training routine that supports both performance and long-term health. The best workout is not the one that looks impressive. It is the one you can stick to and enjoy while moving closer to your goals. If this breakdown helped you understand your training options better, go ahead and like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss future fitness breakdowns like this. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Are you more of a swimmer, a gym person, or someone trying to combine both? Let me know your main fitness goal right now. If you want to keep going, check out the next video where we break down the best workouts to combine strength and cardio for real-world results.